In this tutorial, we will merge multiple PDF documents in Python with Spire.PDF, then look at a selected page variation for more controlled output. Spire.PDF gives you a direct API for combining whole files or inserting individual pages. That keeps the merge workflow compact while still leaving room for page-level control when the job needs it. Start by installing Spire.PDF for Python, then import the PDF classes. The example only needs the document API and the common file format constants. The basic flow is short: collect the input files, merge them into one PDF document object, save the output, and close the document when the work is finished. Here is the smallest complete version. The important line is merge files, because it takes the ordered list of input PDFs and returns a document ready to save. When you do not want every page, create a new document and insert exactly what you need. This pattern is useful for building a summary packet or combining only specific chapters. The output is a single PDF assembled from the selected inputs. A before and after preview makes it easy to confirm that separate documents became one merged file. That is the core workflow for merging PDF documents in Python. Use merge files for the fast path, and insert page or insert page range when you need precise control.